Where's the cat? I'll bet there's a cat behind the couch. Sarah, come look at that cat behind the couch. Come look at the cat behind the couch. Is she still there? Cat. That's right.
Is there a cat back there? She's having a good time.
Sarah, where's the cat? Where's the cat?
That is the funniest thing ever.
Yeah. Oh, you coming back to make sure she hasn't moved? Yeah. Where's the cat? That just doesn't get old. Cat. I don't think you can reach the cat.
I don't think you should either.
Cat. I don't think you can get back there, Sarah.
One of the most striking differences between covering, let's say, Tripoli right now
Oh, Sarah.
in April 2020. I think there are similarities. But the one very distinct difference was just how many people have guns in the streets in Tripoli right now.
Hi, Sarah. Okay, we'll turn it off.